In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Evernote Desktop to Obsidian. First, open the Evernote Desktop app and let it finish syncing so everything is up to date. In the left sidebar, click Notes to see your full list. This view makes it easy to export either everything or just a selection. Decide what you want to take with you: an entire notebook, a handful of notes, or a single note, and highlight those items. At the top right of the note list, click the three-dot More menu. Choose Export. You'll be asked to pick a format. ENEX is Evernote's archive format and preserves note content, tags, creation dates, and most attachments in one file. Single web page creates HTML files and is handy if you prefer simple standalone pages. If you plan to do any conversion later, ENEX is usually the safest choice because it keeps the most detail. Next, choose where to save the export on your computer and give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly. Confirm and wait for the export to complete. Larger notebooks can take a moment. Don't close Evernote until it finishes. Now switch to Obsidian and open the vault where you want these notes to live. In Obsidian's left file explorer, right-click the folder that should hold your imported content and click Show in System Explorer. This opens the exact folder on your computer that Obsidian is watching. Move your exported Evernote file or the folder of web pages if you chose HTML into this location. Once the files are inside your vault, flip back to Obsidian and you'll see them appear in the file list. A quick tip: Obsidian works best with markdown files. ENEX is great for preserving data, but you may need a separate converter or an Obsidian importer to turn ENEX into markdown before the notes are fully readable. Keep your original export as a backup, especially if your notes include images, PDFs, or audio. And that's it. You exported from Evernote and placed the results directly into your Obsidian vault.